When I bought this car, we got this box of bits with it. Steering wheel, some wheel cylinders. That's that chipped ECU, which I've replaced for a standard one. It's made no difference, so it might be something to look at again and put back on. It also came with this. Which is a single point injection unit. If you can see on there, there's like half a gasket there. It looks like it's like a spacer with a gasket either side. It's missing half of it. It also came with a spare throttle body. So with this being in the box and the car not particularly wanting to rev over about 4.5, I'm gonna have a look at this area first and take the one off the car just to check it over really. And it's got an injector in there as well, so something I could always try swapping over if needs be. It doesn't feel like it's electrical misfire anyway, because it doesn't actually misfire, it just sort of holds back pretty much. Put all them back in there for now. Go and get on with it. One thing I've noticed is if you look down here, you can't see because my hand's in the way, but the vacuum pipe here, it's been blocked off by a bolt. I'm not entirely sure where that's supposed to go to. I have to try and find a guide for that. So that's the area there, so we need to get this airbox off first. Should just be the filter behind here. Doesn't look too bad to be honest, but I might just leave that off. Try run it as it is, see what happens. Injection unit. Let's get the rest of this box off and have a look. Next thing I've noticed I have to take the airbox off is this insulation tape on that lead there. So it doesn't look too good at all. It doesn't feel like it misfires though, it still feels like it holds back. But that's something I need to change. Get that working properly. I don't really want to pull that tape off just in case, so I'll just leave that as it is. Go from there I guess. But all the throttle body seems to look alright. The gasket's all intact, you can't really see actually because it's very small. Tiny little black bit there, but it's all intact all the way around. You can't really hear any leaks when you start it up, so which I'll start it up now and just check, but I can run it without the air filter in just to see if it's not the air filter. I'm going to have a look underneath at the fuel filter as well and check that out. So it is a bit lumpy. I've really got some WD-40 just to spray. See if I can find any leaks, but I can't hear anything leaking. Revs up okay. I found the diagram on the Fiat forum page. It shows what would be the right hand side takeoff, which is this one here, it's been blanked off. Should be a vacuum that goes to a map sensor. Now I can't find anything missing anywhere, or a map sensor, or any plugs missing anywhere either. I'm wondering if that's the map sensor. There. Looks like it could be. It's that kind of item, but that seems to be connected in down there. So that's something I need to have a look at. See if it's missing a takeoff, because that's got a different valve in it there. That could be the problem.